Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Engineer. In this video of our optimization course, we are going to see about the sets and we are going to see how we can use this for our optimization formulation of our optimization. So before we define our optimization objective function and constants, we need to know what is our set and we need to define about like number of generator buses and if you are telling that what is the price in during 24 hours for calculating the price of 24 hours and formulating the objective function. So you need to create a set in that condition. So for example, they may if you define the some set, okay, so a set is a well defined collection of distinct objects, we can call. For example, the power plants, we have different power plants near our area or near in our country. We can call the power plant number 1, power plant number 2, power plant number 3, and we can call similarly we can also call the city, for city number 1, city number 2, city number 3. Okay, so some sets are ordered, like numbers are there 1, 2, 3, 4, and some are not ordered. I'll tell you example of that also. So for example, Vena, cities, if you consider cities, or if you consider countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, they're not ordered. Okay, and numbers we can call 1, 2, 3, 4, that are ordered, right? So set is very important in GAMS. I'll show you how to use your GAMS code. For example, I'll just show you here. So these are like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. These are numbers that are ordered, and this number, if I want to write in my GAMS, how I need to write it? This is a set. I need to create a set of variable m, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 slash. Now this number like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now I need to create a set that is a k, which is a subset of m. See, this is a subset of m because the elements of this are coming from this subset, this set. So this and this is a subset of the first one. Now I need to create a k that is a subset of m, and similarly the p, this is a p which is a subset of m, this one. Now I need to write slash 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now if they are large set of numbers, for example, you're considering from 1 to 100 numbers, so you need not to write 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100, and it will take so much of your time, right? So GAMS has provided a shortcut for that, that is a set of m. This is a function m, this is a label m which you're giving to this set, slash 1 asterisk 10, and don't forget to put this at the end of your code, right? Otherwise it will give you error. Now this is our ordered one, and when we consider non-ordered one, unordered one you can call. So there is a set of months, right? January, February, March, April, and May. And similarly you can call m1 to m12. Here this should come. There's a mistake here. And then the set week 1k asterisk w56k, because whenever we will try to formulate an objective function for solar PV panel, we can go to 56 weeks also. So that's why w1k till 56 we have to consider. Now we need to, if we want to do operation on set, right? So I'll just give you one simple example here. So there's a set m which consists of element 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Now you need to create the similar set, like this set you don't want to touch, so you need to create some other set named z. So Alice will create a z set similar to m set, right? It will just create a duplicate copy of that, you can call. Okay, now or you can create a similar photocopy, that's what we call. Now similarly, if you want to create one more alias of one more photocopy of the set m, you can create by creating m z comma p, because you don't want to touch this set, you want to create a photocopy. So this set z is created photocopy of m, and again p which is also photocopy of m, and here the set n which is from i1 to i3, i1, i2, i3, right? Now there is a set d2. This is what, this is my one dimension, because 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Now you need to create your two dimension. You need to first name the set d2 of m comma n, right? So this is our, we can write like this also: 1.j1, 2.j2, 10.j3, to similar to that you can just create. Okay, and then otherwise you can also create like set d to m comma n in this column fashion, or you can write this in the row fashion, right? So these two ways are there to write the set which is a two-dimensional, and this is a way to write the set which is a one-dimensional. Now what if you need to define, like when you will start creating your code, slowly we are going to do things complex in small parts. So this is our one dimensional, this is our two dimension. Now when you exceed this both the sections, now what you need here is, when you consider about power system aspects or transportation aspects, you need to tell about the connection, like one is connected to 3, one is connected to 2. For that we need to create a sets, like set, this is a GB connect, this is a label, that's a name you are giving to the set. Here there's a two dimension, the first dimension is bus and the second dimension is gen number, and the connectivity index of each generating unit to each bus. Okay, so this thing you need to write, this thing is just to tell about what it is, right? Now you need to hash this 1 dot Kanpur, 2 dot Delhi, 3 dot Punjab, 4 dot MP, 5 dot Goa. So 1 is my bus numbers and this is my generator numbers. Like 1 is in Kanpur, 2 is in Delhi, Punjab, MP and Goa. You can create in a similar fashion. This is a bus 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will see this coding in our upcoming videos, but this is just to tell you about how my set operation works, like how it is working in one dimension and the two dimension. Now I hope the set is clear, how to define a set in our code. We will be using this set operation when we'll try to figure out our optimization formulation of optimization in upcoming videos. Hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.